the fuck was that? For the Golden Big Mac? What's happening, Thunderbirds? Roy Rayner here, and I'm back with the infamous Rudy J. It is around supper time, and we're just hanging out. I've been working all day on the Lionel's debut album. It's sounding great. Did some last minute promo stuff today. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. And after all that work, I am hungry. So what better way to feed myself than at the McDonald's? We also heard news that McDonald's is coming out with some new burgers. And look what I found. McDonald's will debut new Big Mac sizes, Grand Mac and Mac Jr. The more I click through these things, sometimes it tells you where they're testing. Found one. There it is. Yes, check this out. Now testing in Ottawa. I just so happen to live in Ottawa. The Mac Jr., the Big Mac, the Grand Mac, Mac. They did not mention this on any of the websites, so I'm assuming this is a special thing only for the ballers. Hold on, I'm gonna get a zoom in on this small print here. For information pertaining to the Golden Mac, please contact your local McDonald's restaurant. Extremely limited in quantity. Call immediately. Thunderbirds, you know what we're doing today. We are hunting for that Golden Mac. I'm gonna call every single McDonald's if I have to, and we're gonna taste test this thing because it looks absolutely delicious. Ballers only. Alright guys, so first thing we gotta do, call up some McDonald's here in Ottawa. The fuck? Why would you have a number if you can't? Hi, I just wanted to know if you guys have the new Big Macs. So the Mac Jr., the Grand Mac, and then the Golden Mac. Holy shit.
They don't want you to find it.
Hi, I'm just calling. Yeah, I heard McDonald's got. Can you hear me?
I barely can hear you.
Can you hear? Do you guys have the new Grand Mac and Golden Mac in your store yet? You have the Golden Mac. Ask them. The Mac for ballers.
Hi Sabrina, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. I'm wondering if you guys have the new Golden Big Mac.
Golden Big Mac?
Yeah, I'm just looking online here and it says you guys have.
Is it supposed to be a sticker thing? I have, because ours are just regular.
Are you positive?
Good
like
promotion.
the Willy Wonka promotion? Are you not telling me something?
Sorry?
Do you know something that you're not telling me?
Awesome. Obviously, these McDonald's employees are hiding some shit from us. There's only 3 in the country, so they are keeping all of the Golden Macs for themselves. As soon as they get a Golden Mac, they're gonna steal it. Hello? Well, I'm sorry, I missed your name. You said it so quickly. What was it?
Matthias.
Oh, Matthias. Nice. Well, thank you. Yes. Hello. How are you doing? I'm a little bit excited here. I saw online McDonald's has some new kinds of Big Macs. There's one, the Golden Big Mac. Is this going on?
We don't have anything like that.
Dude, the Mac is wrapped in gold. Gold Mac.
Nothing that's going to be coming up this month. If there's something coming up a couple of months from now, but I know for this month we do not have any promotion like that coming up.
Do you know something you're not telling me, Matthias? Because this is really...
His name wasn't Matthias, it was like Mitesh.
Oh, fuck.
It was so...
If you're watching, man, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for...
I'm nervous.
That's your McDonald's.
Yes, I'm looking online here, and it says you guys have some new Big Macs coming out.
New Big Mac?
Yeah, like
Sorry?
a Mac Jr., a Grand Mac, and a Gold Mac.
That's in Canada?
Are you in Canada?
Yeah.
I'm in Canada. Gold wrappers.
The Willy Wonka...
Yeah, no.
Gold pickles. Do you know?
It would...
Do you know where the Big Macs are?
It would... No, I'm just...
No, I've already said I haven't heard anything about that.
Okay. Shit. Okay.
No gold Macs. No gold pickles. No gold lettuce. No gold seeds on top of the gold bun.
No gold burger.
I have to pee. Calls make me nervous.
Okay, you do your thing. Alright, Thunderbirds, it is just you and me. Two. Oh shit. What the hell? Unknown caller, burger bun. Hello? Hello? How?
You want to possess the golden mark, you will follow my instruction. Golden marks come golden responsibility, Rory.
Send. Yo, Rudy!
What?
Where the fuck were you?
Upstairs to get a snack.
Some random number just called me. First of all, it's like they're like unknown burger emoji, and then if we zoom in, the instructions are here. So apparently this is how you attain a golden Big Mac. Pull up to the drive-thru window wearing a scarf, sunglasses, and baseball cap. Ask the employee on the headset if their ice cream machine is working. Order a small vanilla and filet-o-fish combo. Supersize your fry and ask for peanuts with your ice cream.
Okay, we have to try this. This is so dumb.
Let's do this.
What?
Thunderbird, so I got my disguise. Rudy's ready to rock and roll.
Looks so good.
Thanks. Oh shit. Take the small cone, park, and wait. Okay guys, so we just arrived at the local McDonald's. This is the one that we called. Get a look at this.
One moment, please.
Ball is only clip.
Hi, what can I get you?
Hi, I just wanted to know, is your ice cream machine working?
Yeah, we got ice cream.
Can I order a small vanilla cone, filet-o-fish combo, supersized with fries, and would I be able to get a package of peanuts with the ice cream?
A few inches later.
Guys, we did it. My heart is pounding. Rudy, feel this.
Stop this.
Feel my heart.
What is that?
That's the call of the golden Mac.
I'm so dumb.
Hey, brother. It's gonna be. Yeah, visa, please.
Visa.
How are we?
You have the first look.
Nice night.
Soft serve.
Bro, what the fuck was that?
What was that?
Look.
What? Yo, so I hear something on the top of your car.
Stop.
No, you stop.
No, what do you mean
Why are
stop?
we here? Where are you going? You can't leave me in here. Stop! Where did that come from?
I have no idea. Are you kidding me?
You're so annoying. Where did that come from?
No idea. Oh my, yo.
Let me see.
Can you guys see that?
What?
Can you
Yeah. Stop.
Let's get out of here. I'm not taking any chances.
Stop.
Honestly, I can't. I'm not, there are probably people watching. Alright, Thunderbirds, so we are safely back at the house. I got the golden Mac. I swear to God, somebody was out there following us. Right, we gotta get downstairs now. There's someone at the door. Okay, okay. We gotta go. Because I'm pretty sure there are people. Nobody's getting in. Take it out.
I do. I will marry you.
They wrap this thing like an actual present. That's how you know. Full golden, the ultimate quest for the golden Big Mac. Woo! Let's go! Look at this thing! It is pure. Are you kidding me? Pure, solid gold. Time for the official taste.
Oh, yes, Rory. How many people wanted the gold Big Mac? Just as much as you do. Lock your doors, Rory.
Are you kidding me? Okay, guys, we gotta go. This is fucking creepy. Rudy, did you hear anything down here? Come here. The burger is gone.
Oh, isn't it in the bag?
But that thing called me on the phone. Went to lock my door. When I came back, it was gone. I didn't even get to taste it. Thunderbirds, I am so sorry. I can't believe I let the golden mac just slip through my fingers. You know what? To make up for this mistake, you guys comment down below any crazy artifact that you want me to go searching for next, and I promise you, I will find it. Rory Rayner is a treasure hunter extraordinaire, especially when we chasing after that ballin' shit. Until next time, Thunderbirds crew, Flyers crew on the interwebs. Squad.
I need to see teeth and eyes.